Hello student, today I am discussing an important question taken from work energy power. Basically, we have to calculate work done due to variable force. Okay. When a rubber band, that is plastic, when a rubber band is stretched a distance x, suppose that a rubber band is stretched by a distance x, it exerts a restoring force of magnitude F equal to ax plus bx square, where a and b are constants. Okay, this force F equal to ax plus bx square is a variable force because this force depends on x. According to x, F is vary, where a and b are constant, so this is a variable force. Okay. The work done in stretching the unstretched rubber band by L is, suppose that rubber band is stretched by up to length capital L. Then what will be the work done? If x equal to 0, f equal to 0. Suppose that x is equal to 1, then f equal to a plus b square, correct? A plus b square. Suppose that x equal to 2, then f equal to 2a plus 4b square. That is, f is variable. Now, f equal to ax plus bx square. If x equal to 0, f equal to 0, x equal to 1, f equal to a plus b, that is variable force. Variable force. Now x initial equal to 0 and x final is equal to L. We have to calculate work done due to this force when rubber band is stretched from x equal to 0 to x equal to L. Okay, so now work done due to variable force W is equal to f dx integration x initial to x final. This is important formula for calculation of work done due to variable force. W equal to f equal to ax plus bx square bracket dx integration 0 to L. Now W equal to constant a x dx 0 to L plus b x square dx 0 से L. Correct? W equal to a integration of x square divided by 2 0 to L plus b x के power 3 divided by 3 0 to L. Correct? Now W equal to a L square divided by 2 plus b L cube divided by 3. This is answer. AL square divided by 2 plus BL cube divided by 3. Now, we learned here, if force is variable, simply we should use method of integration. For W, that is work done, used method of integration. Use method of integration. Correct? Okay. Another point in this question, when force and displacement graph given, for work done, we should find area. Area of force and displacement is equal to work done. Correct? Any doubt? Today we learned If force is variable, then how to determine work done? Method of integration, correct?